Okay, so today is day 21, and right now we have 3 eggs that have started the hatching process. So I'm just gonna try and you can see that one right there. We have another small crack on this other egg. I'm trying to find, oh, there's my finger right there. And then we also have another egg around the, oh, did you hear that? That little cheeping? We have another egg back here that started cracking as well. Let's see if this little guy's gonna move some more or not. So I'm gonna tell you what's kind of going on with those eggs as they start to hatch today. So the chick's neck begins to jerk and it pips or breaks through the internal membrane and takes its first breath from the air cell. So that's kind of what's occurring as they're doing this today. So the pipping and hatching completely out of the shell is a long and tiring process, which can take from 1 hour to 30 hours. So this stage is often referred to as the unzipping. So that is what's occurring there. And so as they're doing it, it uses its wing as a guide and its legs to propel it, working in circular motions to create a hole, which will eventually be large enough for it to squeeze its leg through and push. So that's kind of what's happening with our eggs that have began this process. I'm going to try and hold this camera really steady so you can see he's moving there. Let's see if we can hear any more cheeping. Nothing yet. But the egg on the right that started, that was the first one that I noticed this morning at 7:30, with just that small little crack there. Oh, he's moving around too. So we're definitely going to have some chicks hatch today. So I'm going to keep videoing throughout this, and we'll try and put them all together for this one YouTube video as they're going. So yeah, you can see. Did you hear that? This guy's working really hard. Okay guys, so it's about 4 o'clock in the morning. We have our first 2 little chicks. They're now in their crate here under the heating lamp. Kind of see. And sometime from 1 o'clock onward, we had 2 more chickies born. So one is a little bit fresher there, still pretty damp. And so we have 4 chicks altogether. These guys are pretty tired out now. I just got up to check on them. And so far we have 4. And these guys are almost a little brownie. So yeah, and I took out some of the eggs. Saying more room in there so you can kind of see what the inside of those eggs looked like they came out of. And this other egg over here looks like he's gonna hatch pretty soon too. So lots of things happening. So far we had 2 that were born on May 7th. And they, that was exactly 21 days. And these two little guys hatched May 8th. So yeah, we'll see how many more days we have to wait, how many more, and how long, I guess, the chicks take to come. So yeah, 4 so far.